How many times have you watched the news or read a headline and just felt a deep, heavy tiredness? You see a problem like no lights, a bad road, the price of Gary, and you think they will never fix it. We have been conditioned to believe that our voices don't matter, that the plan for Nigeria is written in some office we will never see by people who have never stood in our shoes. But what if we stopped waiting? What if the day, in quote, we have been waiting for is us? This feeling, this frustration is exactly why we are here today. This is the first step in building something new together. So what's the real problem? It's simple. For decades, Nigeria has been running on plans made for the people, not by the people. We get manifestos every 4 years, fancy documents filled with promises that vanish after election day. Why? First, there is a total lack of accountability. Politicians make pledges they have no intention of keeping because we, the people, have no tool to hold them to their word. Second, it is a top-down system. A small group of people in Abuja or a party secretariat decide what they think 200 million people need without ever truly asking us. It is like a chef who never tastes his own food, guessing what seasoning you want. Think of it like this. Nigeria is a bus and we are all passengers. But the driver keeps changing the destination without consulting anyone. The map is outdated and half the time the bus is going in circles. We are just along for a very bumpy, frustrating ride. But it doesn't have to be this way. Around the world, when citizens have directly shaped their nation's priorities, real change happens. From what we have seen, there are a few ways to approach this. In some countries, they have used citizens' assemblies, randomly selected groups of ordinary people who study an issue and recommend policy. In others, binding referendums give people a direct vote on major national issues. And increasingly, nations are using digital platforms for large-scale public consultation, turning national planning into a continuous conversation. This isn't about reinventing the wheel, but about learning, adapting, and asking which of these tools or what new Nigerian idea can we use to finally write our own destination. And this is where you come in. This isn't my show. It is our workshop. We are building the People's Manifesto, line by line, and it starts with your brain, your experience. So here is your assignment. I want you to think like the CEO of Nigeria for a moment. In the comments below, answer this one question. If you could get every single politician to focus on and solve one problem in the next 4 years, what would that one problem be and why? Be specific. Is it the national grid, teacher training, police reform? Tell us. Your answer is your first vote in the People's Manifesto. This is how we build it. Not with one voice, but with millions. Your comments, your ideas are the raw materials. In the next video, I will compile your best ideas from these comments, and we will start drafting our first official people's policy based on what you have said. This is the work. This is how we take it back. This is Nigeria's turn, and it starts with you.